the 2019 Ford Ranger XL. Let's go for a virtual test drive and learn what it's all about. There's 3 trim levels, XL, XLT, and Lariat, and today we're featuring the XL.
Yeah, huge capability out of a mid-sized truck.
In a super cab with a 6-foot box, you've got lots of capability and room for hauling all of the things that you want.
Yeah, exactly. Towing capacity, payload capacity, and you know what, some really great tech features on an XL trim.
No kidding, starting with the base model, including things like forward collision warning.
Yeah, Fordpass Connect.
Yeah, all the power equipment, air conditioning. We're going to get more into that as we get rolling here. So let's get buckled up and get comfortable. Speaking of getting comfortable, your XL model has tilt and telescopic steering. So you can get that right driving comfortable position for yourself with a 4-way adjustable, manual adjusting seat. So we get the right height, get our backrest set up, and we are good to go.
Yeah, let's go.
What I like, first of all, is it's got a nice size to it.
There's lots of room here, and especially in the front, we've got the super cab, so the smaller's a little back, a little smaller in the back.
Yep.
But in the front here, we've got lots of room.
Absolutely. And it's not too big. It's a mid-sized truck.
Exactly.
So it's perfect for, booting around town, getting around on a job site, taking a trip with the family, you and your spouse, and maybe, going out and exploring the back 40 is what this truck is really meant to do.
Yeah, well, and in the XL trim, a great work vehicle as well.
Yes, it is. So when you're looking for capability, so let's just get right to it off the hop here. We are equipped with a 2.3 liter 4-cylinder EcoBoost engine.
Yeah, very powerful engine. We're looking at 270 horsepower, 310 foot-pound of torque.
That's right. So that torque is really, really, really strong and is going to get you moving in a hurry. Paired up with the 10-speed automatic transmission with the progressive range select, you're going to be able to really do a lot of capability with this truck.
Oh, big time. I mean, we've got towing capacity of 7,500 pounds.
Maximum with the trailer tow package.
With the trailer tow package, properly equipped, 7,500 pounds. Payload wise, we've got big capability there too. In a 4x4 in this truck, super cab 4x4, we're looking at 1,650 pounds.
That's a lot of payload.
Yeah, so it's a very capable truck.
Now, speaking of the 4x4, guys, this is a standard feature on all the models.
Yes.
So, when you're looking for a Canadian Ranger, that's what you get.
Exactly.
And the 4x4 mode has 3 different options.
Right,
using
4 high, 4 low, 2 high.
Yep. And then combine that with the ability to turn off or on your traction control.
Yes.
So really, if you need to spin those wheels just to, kind of get moving, a little rock your vehicle out of a tight spot.
Right, you can do that.
Like you might do that on a trail.
Yeah. Yeah, this is a very off-road capable little truck.
Absolutely. And as you get into the higher trim levels like XLT and Lariat, now you can get into off-road packages and all of that fun stuff.
Terrain control, things like that, yeah.
Terrain management. So there's just a whole list of capabilities that the truck has as you move up into the higher trim levels as well, adding those optional features,
right?
Depending on how you're going to use your truck. Did you notice the auto start stop technology working there?
Yes, I felt it shut off.
Went quiet.
Yeah, it went quiet for a few seconds, but when we need it to go, it starts right back up.
Yep. And talk about getting up and going. It's not a slouch.
No, this engine, I love this engine in a mid-size truck.
Yeah.
For me personally, I'm so used to a bigger V6. Working really hard in a mid-size truck, whereas in this truck, especially with the turbo technology,
yep,
the power's there when you need it, but the fuel economy is there when you don't, especially in the city. It's really nimble.
Yeah, combined averages 10.9 liters per 100 kilometers both city and highway driving,
which is phenomenal.
And we're talking about regular octane 87 fuel.
Yeah.
And you can pump in 68 liters of fuel.
So yeah, that's going to get you places.
Nice sizable tank.
Yeah, exactly.
So less stops along the trip. So that's not a bad thing either. Speaking of fuel, I can monitor right here from the instrument cluster how much fuel we have remaining and all of the different informational displays that you're going to want to know. your averages, your distance traveled, your time traveled, that sort of thing.
Right.
Gives you an outside temperature and a compass as well.
Perfect.
Not bad. Steering wheel is well equipped with the easy access to the 5-way controller for your information in the instrument cluster,
Right.
as well as your radio and volume controls.
Yes.
And then this base model has sync.
Yeah, exactly. Voice activated Bluetooth.
Yep. Pair up your phone and listen to your audio.
Yeah, exactly. We've got a USB port down here, so charge your device.
Yeah, and there's a few other multiple auxiliary ports, one in the back
Right.
and 2 up the front. So 12 volt, hook up that auxiliary, power up your devices.
Yeah.
So pretty easy to use. Air conditioning is standard equipment.
Perfect. You need that in the summertime.
Yes, you do. much needed.
Yeah.
Depending on the year.
Exactly. Yeah.
You betcha. We mentioned earlier technology, and one of the features that is standard equipped all across the board now is Fordpass Connect.
Love Fordpass Connect. I've got it hooked up on my phone actually as well.
So what you do is you go to the App Store and download the Fordpass app. It's free.
Exactly. You put it on your phone. The vehicle's equipped with a modem, so you actually get remote start on an XL model through the app.
How easy is that to schedule remotes?
Schedule remotes, lock and unlock, find your vehicle, find gas.
Right. So when you're looking
stay
for,
informed about your vehicle as well. Keeps
Yeah.
track of any recalls or anything like that.
it's a fantastic feature.
Oh, it's a great feature, and especially equipped on an XL model. That's just great value.
Exactly. And so it's a free app to download, guys. You get
Yeah.
a subscription for a period of time from Ford free of charge. And, moving forward, I think it's only about $50 a year. So take advantage of this great feature through Ford from Fordpass Connect on the Ford Ranger, all the trim levels.
Super convenient, super easy to use.
Yeah. The other technology feature that they've added, and it's a safety feature, is a forward collision warning. We've got pre-collision warning
Yeah.
with automatic emergency braking. How does that work?
Well, it actually detects the distance in front of the vehicle, and if it feels with the speed that you're going and the distance that you might not be able to stop, number one, it's going to give you an audible sound. It's going to give you a visual sound in front of you on the windshield.
Yeah.
But it's also going to then preload the brakes and even apply the brakes to try to slow you down to minimize the impact.
That's right. Pedestrian steps out in a parking lot,
It's going to slam on the brakes.
or
for you.
you're approaching a vehicle too fast.
Yeah.
All of those situations for safety is improved.
Exactly. So, it's just minimizing a possible impact.
There's a lot of other safety features, of course, the anti-lock brakes, all the standard airbags,
Yep.
tire pressure monitors,
Traction control.
Yep. So it's a really feature-packed vehicle for a base XL.
Yeah, it's great.
And it'll do everything that you want it to do and then some. And, for the guy who wants to take this vehicle and do maybe some customizations to it.
Oh,
So
plenty of options for that as well.
right, through Giant Customs, you can do a variety of things.
Yeah.
So maybe you want to lift.
Level
Maybe-
kits, lift kits, wheels, tires,
Right.
window deflectors.
Yep. One thing I do is I put probably a spray and liner in the box.
Oh, of course. Inside here we got vinyl floors on the XL model.
That's right. And so,
Super easy to clean. I love that actually. Easy to wipe out, clean up, especially if you're on job sites or you're going off road.
yeah, it's rugged,
Muddy
it's
boots.
durable.
Yeah.
So just a lot more really to discover and learn about the 2019 Ford Ranger XL. We invite you to come down to the dealership, visit with one of our product specialists.
Yeah. 2540 Broadmoor Boulevard. Give us a call. 780-449-3673.
Yeah.
We'd love to show you some more.
Absolutely. And guys, we are open 7 days a week, right? So Monday through Friday from 9 till 9. And Saturday we're here from 9 till 6. And Sundays from 11 to 4.
Come take a look.
So we look forward to your visit. Thanks for joining us today on the virtual test drive. We'll see you soon.